Hello, card making enthusiasts. Welcome back to Mommy Guide Inc. Today, we're excited to highlight a fantastic perk for our KCC 15 All Access Patreon members, the exclusive card making kit sampler. From beautiful, exciting colors to intricate designs, the card making kit sampler provides endless possibilities for your card making adventures. So let's let our creativity shine and make each card a masterpiece. Card making kit sampler has a QR code where you can find all the details about all the materials that are included. From this card making kit sampler, I was able to create 3 awesome cards. This is card number 1. This is card number 1. For card number 2, I added a bit of stickers and some chipboard elements to the existing pieces from the sampler kit. Inside the card making kit sampler, you'll find an assortment of beautiful papers and other things for your card. Each item is carefully selected to help you create stunning cards with ease. Card number 2, done. Let's take a look again at card number 1 and card number 2. Last but not the least is card number 3. Create this card, I just added strips of glitter cardstock and sentiment strip. Now, if you do want to join Kendra's Card Challenge, it's very easy. This is a quarterly card making challenge where you start out with 6 pieces of 6x6 pattern paper and come up with 15 awesome cards based on Kendra's Card Challenge sketch for that specific challenge. This time, we are already on KCC 15. To win awesome prizes from Kendra's Card Challenge 15, all you need to do is to actually take a photo of all the 15 cards that you have created for, and that is considered a set. And you can enter 3 times, okay, 1 for each month of the quarter. And you may get a chance to win prizes from all the awesome sponsors of Kendra's Card Challenge 15. To get a chance to win more prizes even, there is actually almost every week or several times in a week video hops done by creative team of Kendra's Card Challenge 15. Join hand in hand to put up these inspiring videos and just simply watch them and hop along with us, and you can even get the chance again to win additional prizes. 3 cards I created from this card making kit sampler from KCC 15. Creating fast and easy, awesome cards is very much achievable with Kendra's Card Challenge 15. Thank you so much again for watching and see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.